All is fair in love and war. All is fair in love and war. After explaining the meaning of this proverb, it teaches how to apply it to life, overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. Welcome everyone to this video tutorial, where we will explore the age-old proverb, all is fair in love and war, and learn how to apply it in our lives to overcome difficulties, attract luck, and achieve success. So let's get started. All is fair in love and war is a saying that dates back centuries. It means that when it comes to love and war, the usual rules of conduct do not apply. People are willing to go to great lengths to achieve their objectives in these two areas of life, and it's often seen as acceptable to bend or break the rules in pursuit of victory. Understanding this concept can help us in our daily lives, as we strive to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. First, let's discuss how this proverb applies to love. In relationships, we often face challenges and difficulties that might seem insurmountable. However, if we embrace the idea that all is fair in love, we can find creative ways to overcome these hurdles. For example, if you're trying to win the heart of someone who's already in a relationship, you might think that you should just give up. But by embracing the concept of all is fair in love, you might be inspired to find a way to show them that you are the better choice, without resorting to deceit or manipulation. Now, let's apply this proverb to the concept of war. In this context, war can be thought of as any struggle or conflict that we face in life, whether it's a professional challenge or a personal goal. When faced with such a battle, we often feel like we must play by the rules and stay within the confines of what is considered acceptable behavior. However, by embracing the idea that all is fair in war, we can think outside the box and find innovative solutions to the problems we face. One way to do this is by having a flexible mindset. If we're rigid in our thinking, we'll be unable to adapt when faced with unexpected challenges. By embracing the idea that all is fair, we can be more open to exploring unconventional strategies, which can help us overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Another important aspect of applying this proverb in life is to be resilient. When we face difficulties, it's crucial that we don't give up easily. We must remember that all is fair, and that setbacks are a normal part of the journey. Instead of letting these challenges hold us back, we should use them as an opportunity to learn and grow, ultimately becoming stronger and more capable. Attracting luck is another important element of achieving success. While we can't control every aspect of our lives, we can increase our chances of encountering positive opportunities by being proactive and putting ourselves in the right place, at the right time. By adopting the all is fair mentality, we can be more open to taking risks and seizing opportunities, which can lead to unexpected good fortune. In conclusion, the proverb, all is fair in love and war, teaches us that in the realms of love and conflict, the usual rules of conduct do not always apply. By embracing this idea, we can learn to be more flexible and resilient in our thinking, ultimately helping us to overcome obstacles, attract luck, and achieve success in our personal and professional lives. Remember, it's not about breaking the rules or being dishonest. It's about being open to new ideas, being adaptable, and having the courage to take risks. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to face challenges head-on and come out victorious on the other side. Thank you for joining us in this video tutorial, and we hope that you can use the insights gained from this lesson to overcome obstacles, attract luck, and achieve success in your own life. Good luck! If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.